Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on connectors to show contrast. And we're going to use the words but, although, yet, still, and however. Now, if you saw my previous video on connectors showing reason, condition, and cause and effect, you'll see that this is kind of a continuation of that lesson. But I didn't make them into parts as they're not really related in terms of what the purpose of the connectors are. However, I will leave a link in the description down below if you would like to see the previous video on connectors showing reason, condition, and cause and effect. Let's go ahead and take a look at some examples of what are connectors to show contrast now. So connectors are used to link sentences. Connectors of contrast are used to show how ideas, actions, or situations are linked in a sentence. For example, the helicopter was badly damaged, but no one was hurt. The connector but is used to join two sentences. The helicopter was badly damaged. No one was hurt. The second sentence, no one was hurt, is an unexpected point from the first. The helicopter was badly damaged. Here's another example. Although we are sad to be leaving Masan, we are looking forward to seeing our friends and relatives again. In this case, the connector although shows the contrast in the feelings of the members of the expedition. The expedition team had enjoyed their time in Masan and were sad to leave. At the same time, they are happy they can go home and be with their friends and relatives again. This example says, it's a long-term business, yet it's more fun than other jobs. Yet is used to add something that is surprising after the first sentence. Well, the business is long-term. The surprise is that it has been more fun than expected. This example says, he says that he is a vegetarian. Still, he enjoys a little bit of fish every once in a while. Still, just like yet, states that something is surprising despite what has already been said. The man says he only eats vegetables, but will still eat fish sometimes. Here's another example. The man has a lot of money. However, he isn't happy at all. However is used to indicate a contrast or contradiction. While the man is rich, he is still not happy. After showing you several examples of connectors to show contrast, I've got this bonus activity here, and the directions say, look at the following sentences below. Circle the connector that shows contrast. So I've got 10 examples here for you to look at, and you're just going to circle the connector that shows contrast. Okay, so if you don't have a printer, or you don't have access to a printer, no worries, you can write the sentences out, and then you can just circle the bonus activity. If you do have a printer, you can print it out if you like. I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can have access to the bonus activity if you can print it out, or if you just want to write it, just get some lined paper and you can just take a screenshot, or a picture, and then send it to me. So the second bonus activity here, the double bonus, is just going to be to write 5 more sentences with connectors showing contrast. Use but, although, yet, still, and however in a complete sentence. So basically write 5 separate sentences with these connectors here. Okay, so that'll do it for today's lesson here. And again, this was just kind of a little review. And if you're not familiar with the concept of connectors, this was an introduction video. And again, if you have any questions, please send me a message. And if you would like to see something else or me continue to make an extension on this, let me know. Okay, so Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you once again for joining in today's lesson. Please message me through Facebook Messenger, or you can email me at jollyformore@gmail.com to learn more about my online tutorial service. Please leave a comment down below. If you know someone interested in hiring an online tutor, share this video. And if you would like to get a bell notification for all my newest videos, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And until then, please be safe out there. Have a great day.